Let's take a quick look at the settings panel inside Datably and walk through what you can tweak to customize your experience. Up in the top right corner, you'll see the language toggle. By default, it's set to R, but if you're more comfortable with Python, you can switch over with a single click. That's the language the AI will use to generate code. Now, right next to that is the gear icon. Go ahead and click it to open the full settings panel. This is where you can manage your account. You'll find options to sign out, learn more about Datably, or head to your payment portal, which is powered by Stripe. Next, we have model selection. By default, you're using GPT-5, but you can switch to GPT-5 Mini, 4.1 Mini, 0.4 Mini, or even try out the open-source OSS model. Each has its own strengths depending on what you're working on. Right below that is the number of trials. This controls how many different coding responses Datably will return for each question. It defaults to 1, but you can increase it up to 10 if you want to explore multiple code solutions side by side. Then there's the seed option. This sets a random seed for reproducibility. It's still in preview, but if you're running the same prompt multiple times and want consistent results, setting the seed helps. Just use any integer. The default is 1. Now let's talk about temperature. This controls how much variability the AI gives in its responses. Lower numbers like 0.2, which is the default, keep things more focused and consistent. If you want a bit more creativity or variation in the responses, you can nudge it up. But we recommend staying under 0.8 for best results. And of course, there's dark mode. If that's your vibe, flip the toggle and everything updates instantly. Finally, at the bottom, you'll see a handy quota tracker. This shows how much of your monthly quota you've used so far. For example, I've used about 15%. And right below that, a breakdown of which models contributed to that usage. Everything adds up to 100%, so you always know where your tokens are going. That's it for the settings tour. Try it now at Datably.ai.